Believe it or not, it's time to check your credit again. We're going to recreate the credit problem that we did in C, but this time in Python. Now, the method of checking the checksum won't change, so our to-dos also haven't changed. In order to prompt for user input, CS50 provided you with the GetFloat function found in the CS50 library. But now in Python, things actually don't change. CS50 still provides you with the GetFloat function, but instead of #including it, then you'll need to import it from the CS50 module. So how do we do the rest? Well, I'll start you off by showing how we can translate from C to Python as follows. Take this while loop, for instance. You'll notice that the condition doesn't need to be surrounded by parentheses, and it's followed by a colon. Then the else-if loops. Instead of else-if, we now have elifs. Again, you'll notice that the conditions don't need parentheses around them, and they're followed by a colon in order to enter that body of the condition. Then we have compound conditional expressions. In C, whenever you have an or an and, then you simply replace that in Python with the words or and. Then we come to division. If you want to include any division in your program, then you can use the double slashes for integer division and a single slash for float division. Finally, let's print. Printing in Python comes by default with a new line. So if you want to override it, then you'll simply have to include a comma after the string and then end equals with 2 empty quotation marks. If you want to print something 50 times, then you can include a star and include how many times you want to print that. Finally, for a single new line, then you simply call print without passing anything in. And there you have the translation tools you need in order to complete credit. My name is Zamila, and this was Credit.